Normal versus advanced sentences in English. The first sentence, in a very modest way, is I am going through a difficult situation. I want to tune it and make it better. I would say, I'm facing a predicament. I'm going through a sticky situation. I am in distress. I have landed in a pickle. I'm in a pickle. I have landed up in a stew. I have landed up in dire straits. I'm at the crossroads of my life. I'm in a spot of bother. These are the many ways in which we can see the sentence I am going through difficult situation. The second basic sentence is the owner has been hit by two unpleasant situations. He has been facing two unpleasant situations recently. The same sentence in a superior way. The owner they have been hit with a double whammy. The owners have been hit with a double whammy. They are going through some kind of adversity. They are facing some downturns in their life. They are going through crisis. They are facing ordeals. These are some of the ways. The third sentence is in basic. They didn't forgive and they wanted to take revenge also. The same in advanced would be they were unforgiving and they vowed to avenge. They are unforgiving and vindictive. They are grudge bearing. They are unrelenting. They are so spiteful. Thank you.